Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring UNice Hair. Big thank you to UNice for sponsoring this video. So let's jump into this look. So today I have a 7x5 body wave butterfly cut closure wig. This is in 20 inches. This is what the wig looks like right out of the package. I'm showing you the curvature. It has the perfect fit along with a drawstring to ensure that the wig is super secure. So I'm just showing you here how you can use that to lock the drawstring in place. So now I'm just slicking back my edges before I put the wig cap on, and then I'm going to lay this wig down. I didn't glue this wig down, but I did use a little bit of like a gel product and some hairspray. But the lace was a good match because you'll be able to see that it melts down without even having to use the melt band. So once I put it on, I will pull out a few of the edges in the front just because I felt like it suited this look a lot better, but it's optional, and as you can see, it does not come with baby hairs, so you do not need them. So once I put the wig down and I'm sure that's where I want the placement, I will use the drawstring and the nape. I'm going to cinch it and I'm just going to tuck it under the wig, and that is it. So here I'm combing the waves out. This is the style that it comes in. So it comes pre-styled, pre-curled, pre-waved. These are very bouncy, but I am going to comb these out and show you what this looks like as a pre-styled wig, and then I'm going to restyle it in a few different looks. So what I love most about this wig is the butterfly cut. I love how those layers in the front frame your face. So it's like the perfect face framing layers. And you can either push them to the side like for like a sweep look, or you can move them to the front for more of a bang look. So it's easy to style this to your desire. So once I do that, I'm going to use a hot comb and I'm just going to flatten the top just to make sure that the top is super flat. And I love the bleach job that they did on this because I did not have to use any lace concealer to brighten up my part. So they did a good job on the bleaching and customization. So this is where I'm using that gel product, and I'm just going to push that down, and I'm using it as a gel, but I'm also using it as like a hold. So that is it, but there's no glue, so we can still call this a glueless install. Plus this is a closure, and with the drawstring and the curvature of the wig, you don't really need any glue because it fits super secure without. So this is it for the first style, and I think it looks pretty good. This is as is. Now here is where I go into restyling myself. I'm just going to take my curling iron. All and any products used will be linked in the description box, but I'm going to use this Hot Tools curling iron, and I'm going to curl everything upwards, and then I'm going to pin it until it cools. Once I pin it, then I'm going to take them down, and then we'll comb through these together. So now I'm finishing up here. This is the last curl. I didn't pin the ones in the front just because I didn't want that too tight. So now I'm taking everything down. And as you can see, these do look similar to the curls that it came with. I'm not going to lie. They look very similar, but these are just more of my style. And now I'm going to comb everything through, and that will be it for the second look. And I think this is my favorite. I love the way the butterfly cut looks in the front now after I restyled it. But I have to say this hair holds a really nice curl. I do feel like Body Wave always holds a nice curl, but this definitely holds a great curl. And I used very little hairspray, so even without product, it holds a curl. And I'm going to run my fingers through it, comb it, style it, and then I'm going to show you what this looks like in an updo. And I also show you what this looks like in a side part. Because this is a 7x5, you can move the part over to the side. But overall, I'm loving this wig. This one is available on Amazon, and I do have a playlist of all my UNice Amazon wigs if you want to check that out. This wig is available in a few different lengths as well, so if you want to modify this to your preference, you can do that. Just check the description box for all the links. Shout out to UNice Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.